Now joining us is Nagaraj Shetti from HDFC Securities. Good afternoon, Nagaraj. Looking at the benchmark indices, a lot of volatility is definitely there, but are the key levels looking, supportive for Nifty and even Nifty Bank current levels, or we should wait it out now?
Yeah, the last 2 days of chart pattern, 2 sessions of chart pattern, in fact, is showing some signs of bottom reversal. Probably we should see some good upside bounce on the higher side. Now, as of now, 24,900 is acting as a strong support for the market, and still at the higher level, Nifty is showing some volatility. So once we move above, sustainably move above 25,500 levels, which is a strong resistance, then one can expect the important bottom reversal formation around 24,900. Till then, there is a possibility of volatility. And today's last 2 sessions indication is positive bias with volatility.
Okay, positive bias with volatility. Nagaraj, the question is, what individual counters are you liking today?
Yeah, I have 2 stocks. One is from metal side, another one is from PSU banking side. Metal side, Steel Authority of India Limited. Steel has been in a consolidation mode in the last few weeks. After a sharp rise, the overall chart pattern is indicating kind of a bullish flag breakout type of pattern. And 150, 152 is going to be the upside breakout for this pattern. And I am expecting more upside in the stock price in the near term. Currently trading around 150, 150, 150, 120. One can look to buy at this point of time. 160 is going to be the immediate target. One can place a stop loss at 147. Second one is Indian Bank. Indian Bank has been in a consolidation phase with positive bias recently and moved up very well in this today's session. The overall chart pattern is indicating a likelihood of decisive upside breakout of around 900 levels. Currently trading around 885.25. One can look to buy at this point of time. Immediate upside target would be around 940, 945. One can place a stop loss at 850.
Okay, so that's with regards to, Indian Bank that you're talking about, the stock at the day's highest levels. But stay with us, gentlemen. In a conversation with NDTV Profit, we're in
the key support levels have been, come back. That Nifty 200 DMA level.
Yeah, in fact, market has moved above the level of 200 DMA around 25,000 level. But to me, that at this point of time, 24,900 that acted as a strong support recently is going to be a strong important bottom reversal as of now, unless Nifty shows some sustainable signs of upside momentum. For me, the volatility is still at the higher levels. Today also we have seen a formation of high wave type candle pattern. Still market is not yet over, but the lower top, lower bottoms is on the cards. Unless we see some significant pattern formation, then only one can say that 24,900, 25,000 is going to be the important bottom reversal, and a bigger upside bounce could come in. But still, we need to wait and watch for the market to play out. And I think there is some buying is emerging from here 24,900, 25,000 levels.
Okay, so that's an interesting take when you do a bull versus bear on what's happening with regards to markets as well. Avinash, IIFL Finance is what I want to discuss with you as well. We've seen the numbers that have come.
The state of buying, and these are your non-ferrous counters, Hindustan Copper and Hindustan Zinc. Both have been running on the back of the underlying commodity, and today they're trading with cuts of 4.5% for Hindustan Zinc, pull up Hindustan Copper as well, close to 5%. If you got in earlier, Nagaraj, the question is on the chart, would you take money off the table right now, book your profits?
Yeah, certainly, because what we have seen on the chart is the tremendous up move without showing any reasonable downward correction. I think 575, 580 is going to be a strong hurdle, and the stock price is, I'm talking about Hindustan Copper, stock price is showing some sign of tiredness at the higher levels, some sign of a distribution pattern at the building up at the higher levels. Certainly, I'm expecting a downside breakout from here onwards. More correction is likely. And at the lower level, 470, 475 is going to be the good support for the stock price in the near term.
Okay, so that's with regards to Hind Copper in trade. Moving on, Interglobe Aviation.
Keep an eye on the numbers. Nagaraj, though, I want to come to you on any BTSC ideas that you might have. We're looking at a breadth that is actually pretty good heading into the end of trade today.
Yes. Market is showing some signs of sustainability at the higher levels, and I'm hoping that we could see Nifty moving above 25,500 levels very soon, and that is going to be the initial confirmation of important bottom reversal what we have seen at 24,900, 25,000 levels. On this front, I'm still stick with the two stocks that I have discussed while ago, SAIL and Indian Bank. Indian Bank has moved up slightly. I recommended 985, 885, now 901. It is still looking positive. One can look to buy at this point of time the above mentioned target of around 940, and the steel authority SAIL is showing some signs of breakout of bullish flag breakout around 152 level. Once it breaks above 152, it is going to be a good upside momentum towards the 160 levels in the near term.
Okay, so that's with regards to where SAIL goes, what you're watching out for in trade. Moving on, Vavi Energy management team.
Let's also close the loop and take a view from Nagaraj on the technicals. Nagaraj, the fall from the peak is pretty steep. It is trading at the low point of the day. Is this a good opportunity if you look long term?
As far as Eternal is concerned, I don't think any major reversal has happened. It has opened at the higher levels and steep sell-off has occurred from the highs. I think still there is a support somewhere around 270, 265 levels. I'm expecting this downside momentum is going to be short-lived and at the lower levels, and we could see buying emerging from near 265 levels. So that is going to be a strong support in the near term.
All right. Thanks a lot, Nagaraj and Avinash, for giving your views in both technical and fundamental perspectives. But coming back to the markets, of course, there was a good up move in the